Happy Sunday, yo. Beautiful day to be out on a lovely hike and picnic. Playing some frisbee. Enjoying some vitamin D out in the... What are you doing on this lovely Sunday? Connecting with nature, grounding yourself. Taking in some beautiful, calming energy, peace, and love. Sometimes just being out in the sun with your friends and family makes you have so much gratitude and helps you to feel one with nature and one with your tribe. I hope you're doing something today to infuse love, peace, harmony, and ground with nature. Until then, my friends, have a beautiful day. Stay classy. See you soon.